Welcome back everyone to this new playlist LeetCode 75 where we will be solving all these 75 questions. Today is day 1 and this is question 1. So let's solve. So this is question 1768, merge strings alternatively. The problem statement, well, this is a very easy question and the problem statement states that we are given two strings, word 1 and word 2, and we need to merge the strings by adding letters in alternating order starting with word 1. And if the string is longer than the other, we just append the additional letters onto the end of the merged string. For example, ABC and PQR are given as two strings. We take first letter from word 1 and first letter from word 2, then second letter from word 1, then second letter from the word 2, and so on. To visualize this, let's come to merge strings alternatively, two-pointer approach. Let's, for example, consider word 1 as ABC and word 2 as PQR. Let's merge those strings. So first step will be to add A from string 1. We will create a new string. We'll name it result and we'll append A to the result string. Next step is to add P from string 2 or word 2. So we have added P. Next step is to add B, then Q, then C, then R. Now what if word 2 becomes something like this? Well, we follow the same steps, add A, then add P, then add B, then add Q, then add C, and then add R. Now word 1 is exhausted. So what we'll do, we'll just append all the letters that are remaining from string 2. So we have appended all the letters and this is the resulting string. So to code it, it's simple. Let's create a new string result. Let's create a new string result, empty string result. Let's create two pointers, int I equals to 0 and int j equals to 0. Now we will traverse through both the words till the time I and j are not equal to the size of word 1 and word 2, the size of string word 1 and word 2. So till the time I not equal to word 1 dot size or j is not equals to word 2 dot size. And if I is not equal to word 1 dot size, we just append it. So result plus equals to word 1 of I and we increment the I operator. And similarly, we write j is not equal to word 2 dot size, then just append the character of j and increment j. And in the end, we'll just return what we are asked for. We'll just return result. Let's see if this works. Yes, it does, and let's submit it. Yes, it does. Thank you guys. So this was the solution. I'll put this code in a GitHub repo whose link will be in the description, and stay tuned for more LeetCode 75 questions. Thank you.